Hi, in this video let me show you how to install your Harmony car seat in your car using the UAS anchors. Some people like to use the seat belt, but in my case I think this is much easier. So let's get started. As you see, this is a brand new car seat and I'll go step by step. Usually it takes less than 10 minutes to be able to install it. Out of the box, as you see, the car seat comes in two separate pieces, two separate parts, and we need to assemble it. Put the seat cushion on the ground and insert the U-shaped plastic hook on the bottom of the backrest in the corresponding bars on the seat base. In the manual it says to apply a small amount of force to gently lock the hooks onto base. There's no real click when you do it, it just goes inside and this is about it. After doing this, you'll be able to put the backrest in the up position, the way it should sit. Let's take a look on the back of the car seat. So over here we can unhook. This is the top tether that will get attached behind the backrest of your car seat if you have an SUV, or on the top back shelf of your car. I'll show you where it goes, but obviously this will go through the headrest of your car or above it. Then we'll have these straps. These are actually the 5-point seat belt, so we don't want to remove them. We're going to keep them there. And here on the side, they're hidden. You have the two side UAS clips. So they're hidden there and you just have to dig around with your hand. Let me put the camera down and take them out. You simply have to pull, okay, because those two clips are attached together. So pull on one side and here we go, they're coming out. Unclip them by pushing one of the clip and sliding the other one out. If you press on the gray latch and you pull one end of the strap, you'll be able to make it longer. Before installing the car seat in your car, I suggest you check your owner's manual, the one of your car, to see where the top tether points are and where the UAS anchor points are located. So let's put the car seat inside of the car. Make sure that the backrest of the car seat is firmly against the backrest of the actual seat of the car. So I'll take the connector clips, I don't know how you want to call them, but these things. And at first I will find where the UAS anchor is. Okay, it's right here beside my seat belt. In this case, it's deep inside, so you won't be able to see it. Make sure that all the straps are not twisted. This is very important. And I will connect the second clip on the other side. Make sure that the clip is facing down this way. It will also be easier to remove when time comes to remove it. So yeah, mine is right over here. I have some car seat covers installed, but I made a hole so I can actually access the UAS anchors. And again, I won't be able to show you because they're very deep inside of the seat, but yeah, it just clipped there. Then we have to connect the top tether anchor. And as you see at this point, I'm not tightening any straps. The first step is really to simply clip the clips. In this car, the headrests are not removable. If your headrests are removable, you have to pass the strap under the headrest, so it connects right over here behind. If you have an SUV, this anchor point will be on the back of the seat itself. Since my headrest is not removable, I will pass this strap above it and connect it, clip it right over there. So this is how it looks. Obviously everything is very loose at this point. So the last step is to tighten every straps. Before start to tighten the straps, you have to put your knee, okay, in the car seat. So you push it down. Put the most body weight possible inside. As you see, I'm currently pushing down with my knee, and then, okay, this is the strap we need to pull up. You don't have to press on the gray tab, simply take it and pull. Okay, now I'm doing it with one hand. The best is to do it with two hands so you have the maximum force. So yeah, pull towards the upper position. I'll put the camera down so I can use my two hands. Now if this didn't work, okay, I have a second tip for you, is to pass this strap inside of the car seat. Pass it through all this padding. Okay, put your hand there, fish it out, and to pull, okay, make sure it's not twisted, and pull in this position. I found out that I was able to tighten the seat much easier this way. To tighten the top strap, it's the same thing. Okay, it's held by a zip tie, and I won't even need to remove the zip tie. Simply pull on it. If you pass the strap above your headrest will look squished, and this is normal. After finishing the installation, take your hand and shake the car seat. It should move less than 1 inch. If it moves a bit, it's fine. As long as it's less than 1 inch, it's pretty normal to have a bit of play. But more than this, you'll have to tighten those straps more. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a comment down below. Check my Amazon links in the description if you want to get a car seat from Amazon. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well.